Alright guys, so here I got my AMBULL Shackle Hitch set. I'm gonna do like an unboxing and then an installation of it, just show you. So it's this one right here, really good quality steel. It has a breaking point of 44,000 pounds, as well as a working load of 11,000 pounds. So that's something to keep in mind. It comes with 4 extra washers, which is these right here. It comes with a key set, and this is what will lock everything into place, and this is what will actually lock up. So let's go ahead and install this onto the back of the truck. All right, so let's go ahead and install my 2-inch common hitch. So literally you'll just put it right in here, and then with your key we'll unlock this piece like that. It'll stick out more, and then we'll push this one through. So you can see it goes through there. Push this side. All right, so there you go. You lock it in place, cover it up, and you're literally good to go. So if you're looking for a good, reliable hitch, highly recommend this one by AMBULL. 10 out of 10.